Okay, y'all. This is Rosa with uh unboxing video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click on the bell to be notified when I drop the video. We is about to see what's in this Amazon unboxing gift from NASCAR Nana and Tizzle. They got me and Donovan something. I'm trying to open it, y'all. I need Donovan assistance. Let's see what it is, you guys. Thank you so much, NASCAR Nana Gang and your boy Tizzle. Let's read the card. It's a gift for you. We send our condolences to you and your family. We are sorry for the loss of your mother-in-law. God bless you all, from Nana and your boy Tizzle. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's see what it is, you guys. I want to be careful. Come here, Donovan. Open this part. Hold on, yeah. I'm opening it. Aww. Oh, this is cute. It's because someone we love is in heaven, there is a little bit of faith in our home. Oh, thank you, NASCAR Nana and Tizzle. Look, Donovan. Donovan. He ain't paying me no attention. But this what NASCAR Nana and Tizzle gave me. And Donovan. But yeah, this what it says, you guys. Thank y'all.
Oh, thank y'all. Appreciate it. Thank you. Appreciate it.
All right, y'all. This from Tizzle and NASCAR Nana. Thank y'all so much. So we appreciate y'all. Thank everybody for the love and the support. My man crew, y'all rock. And I appreciate y'all. We love y'all. And I'm out. Peace.